Biggity bam, guys. It's Back to the Basics Thursday, and we have an exciting day ahead of us. 2 drop bedrooms, 30 yards of carpet, vans loaded. We're ready to rock and roll. Let's have some fun. Well, like I said earlier, guys, this is Back to the Basics. Drop bedrooms. Man, I could do these every day. Everybody wants to brag about their big jobs they get. This is what I brag about. Every day, I got 2 bedrooms to do. Easy money, don't murder your body. That's about the worst thing right there is baseboard heat. Guess what? They actually left it off the ground. Good deal. So Big Chris and I are going to get to tack stripping, putting some cushion down, and just winning. It is like 8:45 this morning, so 8:45 a.m. Let's get after it. Let's go. We got the carpet in. Chris is gonna put some cushion down. We decided just to move the doors side to side because, well, the house is full of stuff and we just didn't want to carry doors all through the house. So, back to the basics. Can't wait. We're gonna turn and tack all the doorways. They got a transition there already. We're just gonna turn and tack to it. Sometimes I like to use Z-bar, sometimes I like to turn and tack. Just depends. Room is done, and I stand corrected. I stated we got here at 8:45. We left the shop at 8:45. We didn't get here till about 9:15. Room's done, gotta hang doors. Cushion's down in here now. Biggity bam, let's drop some carpet and get to stretching. All right, just a little after 11, we are done. Unfortunately, doors in the closets, they don't fit. They're all gonna have to be trimmed. That was discussed with the homeowner prior because they had that vinyl that was in the room. So they'll take care of that. But now we're gonna head back to the shop. I'm actually gonna go for a quick run, eat a little lunch, and then start the not so fun part of just sitting behind the desk and doing administrative stuff. All right, guys, so that first part of the video, I really wanted to just kind of highlight that every day, you know, me especially, you don't have to go 1,000 miles an hour to be successful. There's a lot of other things that go into running an installation business, or even you know, like me, where I got retail flooring too, other than the installation part. I can't spend 8 hours a day out installing and get this other stuff done. So I schedule jobs accordingly throughout the week, so I'm not having to do office work, let's say, after 5 o'clock. You know, I'm an 8 to 5 guy. That's enough for me. I enjoy sometimes taking a little bit longer for lunch every once in a while. That's normal stuff, guys. People in the real world do that, you know, so it doesn't mean you're lazy or anything like that if that's what you choose to do. And I strongly encourage you, again, for longevity in anything, you need to find a good balance. And I was the guy that was, you know, 7 to 7. I've done that. I've done the late night estimates. Things start to fail, and it doesn't end up good. Let's just put it that way. You know, I feel like I was lucky that I got through that. And you know, you're not going to make any more money, in my opinion. You're not going to make any more money if you have to work more than 8 hours to make a living doing this a day. You need to raise your rates. Simple as that. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't overly special, but hopefully this message kind of hits home to some of you, and let me know what you think. Hopefully we'll get some more out for you.